The members of the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo People, the Fkjgp, under the leadership of its president, Dundee C Khongsit, had met the chairman of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission (Mpsc) on the 21st of November 2022 to discuss on the delayed recruitment in government departments of the state. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Dundee Khongsit informed that the organization's meeting with the chairman of the Mpsc ended on a positive note, wherein clarification to issues sought by them were given by the concerned authority of the commission, where he stated that a delay in the recruitment to government departments is due to the huge number of applications received for 2 to 3 vacant positions in each. However, he added that the chairman has also given his word on speeding up the process so that it will benefit the applicants and job aspirants of the state. At the same time, Khongsit further informed that the organization's request for a video recording of the personal interview of candidates to encourage transparency in the recruitment process will be discussed by members of the commission.
Fruitful discussion ya kaba ni nakalang kaseng ayo ni kundo yun Sherman lo ki ni ki issues unemployment kaba nakalang kaseng kala shim mo te ke jangwani kundo yung yu Sherman kalau mengyo pan pa ni ke jingpensai no te ke jingpensai mengyo na Sherman juga Mpsc balai ke don kata kom suki kom tekam ke jongki te nakalang ke jong iru ipen pau la ka jong ka daw kaban kong hi yang ba nomor bagi applicants kila bon pelat menta kamu like ke post live how to li ru kamu ki batap kam ru ki apo jargon te ke jing ong ke jong i ba ke jing ekran bak ni kalau ba kidan hang ni tai ba ka Mpsc ka haban rebound ya kor kom tekam ke jong ka kat kum ko por ke juk menta te ni la ong ba ka Mpsc ka don kam la ka jong ka ni ka IT cell khnang ma mo don kita ki online application gini kita ai baro kat komuni ka juk mata bakan state ya kom rekam jong ka dika office ang ni hi na mark man shya di tu juk ndai shira form tap form nam tai kat man jit itu form ro kade hi kadang kita ki technical ayu kan problems te di tai te nakaleng ka jong ngila kan tu hi irung yang ba kalong kepala tilong moh kat kom ka kamram la benchat ya fi kum ki Sherman secretary bagi member jangan Mpsc te semua ban fulfill kam kloy mah kat kam ka taka expectation jong ki khon samla ne jukti candidate ki ba apply te nak kaleng jong i ti yang ban kaleng jong ki hi mentai kin persyang hi kat bala ban state ne kam kena makan dai jong mentoy iaitu ki kena samla ki ba apply ki post fair jing pecai ba yang ba kaslam ka de nak ada ba kami tu ka order mah nak ka High Court bagi bakalang roster te wala kata bakalang jang iru yang kersyang iban ne Khamstat ya kan ni te ndai ngiru isko an kentu nomor kadau na try pendekali ne i yang makislam kita ki department pat ban penpoy kita ki advertisement sakani ka office ndai nakalang jang i yang masnyo ai ka kom te kam klap step ma kan menta ni sutu ba ki post ki ba apply hang ne ki post ki ba kham long grade 3 shaneng te mostly he ki conduct atli mau kata ka written test baka personal interview dengi yang itu yang kata ka written test te SMS baik ka personal interview ru kena makna ka transparent ru de ben le ka video recording kan long kena bala dak candidate ki semua kumum no ka jing so artatin ak interview jong ki kilaban sim kilaban pet ek ki video ko jong ki te nak kalian ka jong i yang kinsa shong saya perkat yang mereka suggestion kali ba babiang ini nam tamara taka transparency baka confidence yaki nong apply kam